Once upon a time, in a bamboo forest, lived a little panda named Pip. Pip was very round and fluffy, with big, curious eyes. He loved to eat bamboo, and he spent most of his days munching on the green shoots. One sunny morning, Pip found a bright red ball. He had never seen anything like it before. Pip pushed the ball with his nose, and it rolled away. He chased it, giggling as it bounced through the forest. The ball rolled near a small stream. Pip tried to reach it, but he slipped and fell into the water. The stream was cold, and Pip was very surprised. He struggled to get out but couldn't reach the bank. Suddenly, a big panda named Mama showed up. Mama gently pulled Pip out of the stream. She wrapped him in her warm fur. Pip was safe and happy to be with his mama. Mama showed Pip how to play with the ball without falling into the water. They spent the rest of the day playing together. Pip learned that even when things are scary, there is always someone to help. As the sun set, Pip snuggled close to Mama. He dreamed of red balls and gentle streams, and he was very thankful for his family. He knew that he would always be safe and loved in the bamboo forest. Pip looked forward to more adventures with Mama. The next day, Pip woke up with a smile. He went to find his red ball again. He and Mama played until they were tired. Pip learned to be careful near the stream. He always remembered the day he fell in and how Mama rescued him. He was a happy panda, living in a loving home. Every day was a new adventure for Pip and his mama.